Hello, this is Lycon4812 from Nacho Gaming, presenting Universe Sandbox 2. Now this is a simulator of the universe where we can do some pretty cool stuff. Alright, so here goes. First thing I'm going to add is, oh by the way, if people want me to do certain things in this, just let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a galaxy. Oh, an Andromeda. Yeah, that's alright. We'll have that. Oh, I accidentally put 2 there. Shit. There we go. Control Z always solves everything, and it also causes lag. So now there's these things which I have no idea. Well, I've got to stop adding shit. Hold on. There we go. I'm confused as to what's happening myself. Well, we'll skip that crap. We'll delete this. Oh, actually, no, we won't. So we got ourselves a galaxy there. Now black hole. Let's see what happens if we put a black hole right here. There we go. So we got ourselves a black hole. It's pretty sick. Alright, so we have that there. Pretty cool. We'll delete that now because there's no use for it. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll make ourselves a solar system. So stars. Now, yellow main sequence. Oh, that's a sun. Main sequence dwarf. This is some red dwarfs. This is a red main sequence dwarf. White dwarf star. Carbon white dwarf star. I love this game, but we'll go random, because why not? Ooh, got ourselves a beautiful star. Alright, now with orbit. Okay, that's cool. Now we'll add ourselves a planet. Random gas. We'll have a random exoplanet. Put that fairly close. So there she is, just orbiting it. Now what we can do is we can edit the orbit of this, or edit this planet. So we've got mass is that's fairly good ratio. Ready to the age. Yeah, that's alright. Let's just zoom in on this. So see, as it's very close to the sun, which by the way, what star is this? This is HR3. I don't know exactly what this is, to be honest. Hold on, let me just click on it. I don't know, it looks like... Let's see what that is in the star section. I don't know, it's a... Looks of it, I'd say it's a fairly decent... It's not yellow. It seems like it's a white one, but maybe not. It could be a blue one. Now you could be like, yeah, but it's white. Yeah, but that's just, you know, light being emitted from it. Yes, you're probably thinking, but this is a game that probably doesn't have physics. Oh yes, it does. Alright, so we got Kepler over here, which is burnt to a crisp. How about we give Kepler? How about we edit some of its settings? Rotation, surface gravity. We can increase the gravity of it. But see, I don't know. Surface temperature. Let's see how. I can't read that, so hold on. So weird. So as it gets further away, like in its orbit, obviously that's going to happen, etc. So yeah, this is actually fairly good orbit and fairly good temperature. So there's a part of the orbit, the furthest point, I'd say either there or there. Because I don't know, it doesn't seem like it's even. But yeah, it's smoking. It's smoking hot. Let's give her a moon, shall we? Moon. Random small moon. No, we want this to orbit this. So I'd say roughly that far. Fairly good. So now it has a moon. I think. Does it? Hold on, let me just place that there. Yeah. Now it has a moon. Oh, what the hell? Anyway. Oh, it doesn't have a moon. Why isn't it adding? Okay, it's being weird. Oh, yes, it does, right there. Okay. Whatever the hell that is. Yeah, I have no idea what that is, so I'll just delete that. Keep this, though. Okay, so we'll try adding a moon again. Random small moon. Plus. Alright. Alright, so now there should be a moon. There isn't. Why isn't there a moon? I have no idea. But let's try launching something into the sun, shall we? Or this beautiful sun. So how about we launch Jupiter? So we'll set this to launch, and we'll put. Oh, how about another star? I would say random known star. Launch. Okay. So a star. Alright, so it's doing something funny. Oh, what it's doing is now that there's these stars, it's sort of attracting the orbit of it's sort of fucked up the gravitational field. Look at that. Look at Kepler's orbit. It used to be a perfect circle around, I believe it was not that star, but this star here. Perfect orbit around that star, but now it's been thrown out of whack because of these stars. So we'll try doing it again. 1. Terminal velocity, let's just change that. Light speed. That doesn't help. So see what happened? This star that was perfectly up here or whatever has now been thrown out of whack due to all these gravitational fields. Alright. So now that we got that, edit mode. Oh. It's very, very good. Powers. I have powers. Explode. Oh. Explode that. Not bad, not bad. Well, let's create a new scene, shall we? Because that was fairly shit. Alright. So we add a random known star. No, that's the launch. I don't want to orbit. Random known star. Wait, no, I don't. I want still. Sorry, random known star. Alright, we got that. Okay. Now, around this star, which seems to be fairly good, we want to have a planet that can support maybe life. Or has the potential. Random. So Earth, for instance. Let's see what happens if Earth was not in its Goldilocks zone. So to do that, I believe we got to go into view mode. Simulation settings, I believe. No, sorry. Edit mode. Nope. Step. Nope. So with this star, we have the red's inhabitable, blue is too far away, too cold, green is just right. So now let's see what happens when we add Earth to, well, we all know what's going to happen when we add it to a normal, like its normal habitable zone. Well, let's see what happens when we add it to this, and when we add it over here. Alright. So what do we have? If it would place, please tell me it placed. I'll be pissed off. It didn't place. Fuck. Alright. Alright, let's see if it did. If it actually worked. Because I'm going to be pretty pissed off if it... Oh, wow, because I didn't select an orbit. Alright, sorry, my bad. Nope. Oh! It's being pulled in. No, it isn't. It's not orbiting. That's weird. There we go, we got Earth there. Right, so we got some Earths. I don't know why, these are habitable zones. Maybe it's a star. Oh! Something to do with a star. So it says it's a habitable zone, but it's not. It's something else. Let's get rid of zones. We have HR there. Yeah, no, fuck that. That shit looks complicated. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. What the fuck are there that many Earths? So it was that being added, but... The fuck? Oh, it's because its gravitational pull is so large that it actually is pulling all the Earths from the zone I was having it outwards. That's pretty sick. Now, let's just... I want to delete all this. So I'll create a new one and stop fucking up. See how I haven't used this that much? So obviously, I'm going to fuck up a few times. Now let's... Black holes. We'll make a massive black hole, right? We'll see what happens when we collide two black holes together. We'll have two black holes together. One that's smaller, preferably. So maybe 1 million. The fuck? Look at that orbit. So alright, so it seems to be doing something. It's getting closer, but see, they're two black holes, and they're both trying to suck each other in, but one has more mass. So one is going to obviously get sucked in. Alright, let's edit this, shall we? Let's give that a bigger mass, shall we? Oh, wait a minute, did that suck it in, or did that repel it? Alright, so let's see how powerful this thing really is. We'll put a random... We'll just put Mercury there. Alright. Doesn't even respond. Alright. I'm still learning the controls to this bloody thing. So now there's all these Mercuries just going all over the place, and a black... Oh, so it slingshots it. Very cool. Alright. So now let's see if we can create. By the end of this, I want to create a proper solar system. Alright, so there's Kepler. Nice and ready. Got chart. Fuck charts. Add. Random gas. We'll have a rocky planet. About there-ish. We'll have an exoplanet here-ish. We'll have a gas giant here, and we'll have a rocky, another gas giant out here. And what we'll do is we'll exit this, click this one over here, and we'll give that a ring. Alright, so add rings, Saturn, yeah, it's not working. How do I give a planet rings? Shit, material. Oh, that's sick. I can edit the magnetic field, magnetic pulse was a mass loss, Oriel belt, surface temperature, I knew that. That's pretty sick. And I can edit the amount of hydrogen. Oh, shit. It's got a fair bit of hydrogen. Water. Oh, not that much, meaning it's obviously not going to be a lot habitable planet. Alright, I've got an... Alright, let's see. Materials. I want to add a ring to it, but I have no idea how. I'll try putting a ring here. Still ring. Oh. Add ring. So now this planet also possesses a ring, which is pretty sick. Alright. So there's that. Okay, now let's see the habitable zone of this planet. I mean star. Shit. Alright. Alright, this star. But it's still gone over to that. So let's just close that and select this. Alright. So let's check the habitable zone, shall we? Zone. Alright, so none of these planets are habitable. In fact, if we were to zoom in on a few of them, if we zoom in on one of them, now that's fucking hot. Look at that, it's freaking roasted. It's like a marshmallow you have on a campfire. Woo! Okay, so let's put another planet, a random... Alright, another planet. How about we do a random rocky planet. We'll put that in the inhabitable zone. Now, we can do whatever we want to this. That's what's awesome about it. In fact, we'll give it a moon. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so let me just take the zone off. Alright, we'll give this its own moon. Now, let me just see if I can make this in a MS. Let me just speed things up a bit. Actually, if I go to the right, things are going to get really sped up. Actually, I'll have it the way I had it before. Anyway, okay. So we got this. We got these planets that are orbiting, doing their thing. Time sec. Second. Alright. Oh, anyway. So we got this planet out here, just doing its thing, orbiting. It's very lonely, and it's actually rocky. So let's just see if we can change some of its composition, because I went random rocky for a reason. So materials. Okay, on. Water, we'll give it 75% water on. Organics, give that about, yeah, that's alright. Hydrogen with this also needs a fair bit of hydrogen. Alright, so we got this. Mass, that's fairly good. Surface temperature is shit. Like, I mean, really shit. I want to change that though. I want to actually be able to make this a lot better. Let's see if I can actually modify the surface temperature. We'll make this 36. Fair enough. Mass loss equals about. Okay, so we got a random planet out there. What are we gonna do to this planet, you ask? Well, see, it looks retarded. Like, I don't know what the frick's wrong with it, but I think it sort of looks like Jupiter in the way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna destroy it by launching another planet into it. Actually, we'll do that. Oh shit, it's heating up. See, I put some hydrogen into it, and now it's really heating up. Alright, let's see something bigger. Ah, mate, cunt's fucked. We just destroyed a planet. Now, 2 Jupiters together. Let's see what we get. So they're taking each other out. Let's see if Neptune gets launched into it. Yeah. Let's see if a star gets launched into it. Nah, see, a star sucks it in immediately. 2 stars together. And we have created a nova. Or even a supernova by the looks of it. Which is, for those who don't know, but who doesn't know, it's a large, like, sort of galactic or solar explosion that a star does when it ends sort of a phase of its life. Now, that's pretty good. Now, I'm going to end it here. If you liked it, please like it, and let me know what you want in the next part. Peace. Peace. Peace.